we'll guide you through how to create a to-do list in Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Calendar on your desktop. You'll see your calendar view, and on the right-hand side, there's a sidebar with a small icon that looks like a checkmark in a box. Click on that to open Google Tasks. Google Tasks is where you'll create your to-do list. Once the Tasks pane is open, you can click on Add a Task to start creating your list. Type in the task you want to add and press Enter. You can add details or a due date by clicking on the task after you've added it. This is a great way to keep track of what you need to do and when. You can also make subtasks. Click on the task, then click on the three dots next to it and select Add Subtask. This is perfect for breaking down larger tasks into manageable steps. If you want to move tasks around, you can simply drag and drop them in the order you prefer. To complete a task, click the circle next to it, and it will be marked as done and moved to the completed section. You can access Google Tasks anytime from your Google Calendar, making it easy to stay organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.